Hi there, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Using of yes and no in answer to question. If the answer to a question contains a denial, it must be expressed by no, even though it does not contradict the question asked. Thus, you did not forget to give my message, did you? Answer, no, I did not forget it. Question, they will not go to Europe this year, will they? Answer, no, they will not leave Egypt. So also if the question is asked in the form of a statement, question, I suppose you will not go away till July? Answer, no, I shall not be able to finish my work before that. If the answer is an affirmative, use yes, even though it contradicts the question. Question, I suppose you have not bought any money with you. Answer, yes, I have bought $10.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and have a good time. Bye bye.